Hey guys, working on a 2019 Honda Odyssey. Gonna show you how to reset that maintenance due soon A service, or A button rather. First, we're gonna go ahead and it's a push start car. We're gonna go ahead and shut off the car just to make sure. Click it twice. Get the ignition on, it'll come on. We're not actually working with this guy right here. We're gonna be working in this screen. So let me just go to the main, get out and go to like the main home, just so you see. All right, so once you get to the home, just as a reset, we're gonna click settings. Oops, I accidentally double clicked, my bad. Let's go back, settings. We're gonna go to vehicle. Once we go to vehicle, we wanna scroll up to sometime. We could use these, the scroll button right there, maintenance information. It shows the oil life 15% and also the main engine oil. We're gonna go ahead and click that. Reset A engine oil. Yes, you can confirm it. And it goes back up. Maintenance items, oil and filter. We need that also. We already did it. Go ahead and reset it. It's been reset. And we should be good to go. It should reset. Or you can actually use this top right here. It shows the reset all button. We can just click that. We took care of all the maintenance. All due maintenance items reset, and we are good to go. Now we could turn the car on and the lamp disappeared. Again, this is a 2019 Honda Odyssey. Thank you for watching, guys.